Garlic stands out as one of the most potent natural antibiotics, offering numerous health benefits. But did you know you might be making common mistakes that lower its power? In this video, we'll delve into the golden health benefits of garlic and how it can transform your life when used correctly. We'll explore the most effective ways to incorporate garlic into your diet, ensuring you unlock its full potential. From boosting your immune system to lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels, garlic's benefits are profound. It has antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial properties that make it a versatile remedy for many common ailments. Discover how to use garlic's true potential and avoid the pitfalls most people fall into. Get ready to experience its amazing benefits. Unlike conventional antibiotics, which target specific types of infections, garlic offers a broad-spectrum approach, combating all three types of microorganisms with exceptional potency and efficiency. One of garlic's key components is allicin, a sulfur-containing compound responsible for its distinctive taste and aroma. Allicin is linked to numerous health benefits, including its powerful antimicrobial properties. However, research indicates that cooking garlic significantly reduces its allicin content and other active compounds, diminishing its overall nutritional value. To maximize the health benefits of garlic, it's best to consume it raw. Stay tuned. By the end of the video, you'll learn the safe way to use it in cooking too. Let's begin. Here are 2 effective methods. Number 1, swallowing a whole clove of garlic. Swallowing a whole clove of garlic is a powerful health practice with numerous benefits. When taken on an empty stomach, the garlic clove doesn't negatively impact the stomach. The clove remains intact until it reaches the intestines, which are an alkaline environment. Here, the garlic disintegrates and releases its active substances, especially allicin. This is crucial for those who suffer from stomach pain or acidity. Allicin is a potent compound that acts as an antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and anti-worm agent. It serves as an antiseptic for the intestines, particularly beneficial for those with intestinal worms or infections in the colon. Studies have shown that garlic can reduce inflammation and act as an antioxidant. This enhances the function of cortisol, a hormone that has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Garlic's allicin also plays a significant role in boosting the immune system. It helps lower levels of bad cholesterol, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, garlic supports a healthy immune response and can help protect against various infections and diseases. Moreover, garlic has been praised for its ability to improve digestive health. It can help balance the gut microbiota, promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria while inhibiting harmful ones. This contributes to better nutrient absorption and overall gut health. In addition to these benefits, swallowing a whole clove of garlic can also provide relief for those with chronic conditions. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can help manage symptoms and improve quality of life. By integrating this simple practice into your daily routine, you can harness the powerful health benefits of garlic and support your overall well-being. Number 2, crushed or chewed garlic. Have you ever wondered what happens when you eat crushed or chewed garlic? The moment garlic is crushed or chewed, it releases its distinctive smell due to the breakdown of allicin. But beyond the smell, this process unleashes a wealth of health benefits, making garlic a powerhouse of nutrients. When garlic is crushed or chewed, it releases organic sulfur compounds and antioxidants. These compounds are crucial for stimulating blood circulation and promoting heart health. They help regulate cholesterol levels and lower triglycerides, which are fats found in the blood. This means that consuming garlic in this form can significantly reduce risk of heart disease. Eating whole garlic cloves, on the other hand, doesn't provide the same level of benefits. When swallowed whole, garlic retains its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and can still help lower cholesterol. However, the most potent compounds, which are released when garlic is crushed or chewed, remain locked inside. Crushing or chewing garlic activates enzymes that convert allicin into allicin. This transformation is key to unlocking garlic's full potential. One study highlights that allicin, produced when garlic is crushed, is a highly reactive sulfur compound that interacts with various cellular processes. It has been shown to possess antimicrobial properties, which can help fight infections and support the immune system. Moreover, allicin can induce beneficial changes in redox-sensitive proteins and cellular signaling, further enhancing its health benefits. Another study confirms that crushed or chewed garlic increases the activity of glutathione S-transferase, an enzyme involved in detoxifying the liver. This enzyme plays a vital role in removing harmful substances from the body, highlighting garlic's potential in supporting liver health. Additionally, garlic's sulfur compounds play a vital role in boosting the immune system. They have antimicrobial properties that can help fight off infections and strengthen the body's defenses against illness. Regular consumption of crushed or chewed garlic can lead to a stronger, more resilient immune system. Furthermore, garlic has been shown to improve overall cardiovascular health. By reducing triglycerides and regulating cholesterol levels, it helps maintain healthy blood vessels and prevents the buildup of plaque. This can lead to lower blood pressure and a reduced risk of heart attacks and strokes. Incorporating crushed or chewed garlic into your diet can provide a multitude of health benefits. From enhancing heart health and stimulating blood circulation to detoxifying the liver and boosting the immune system, garlic truly is a superfood. What's the best way to incorporate garlic into your daily routine? To harness the full health benefits of garlic, start your day by swallowing a raw garlic clove on an empty stomach. This simple morning ritual can boost your overall health. Next, incorporate mashed or chopped garlic into your meals throughout the day. Adding it to your dishes not only enhances flavor, but also maximizes its health properties. Make sure to drink plenty of water to aid in digestion and absorption. This dual approach maximizes garlic's health benefits, supporting your body's defenses and promoting overall wellness. Regular consumption can help reduce blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and provide antioxidant protection. Embrace this simple, natural remedy to enhance your health daily. Now, as we promised, let's talk about how to cook garlic the right way. To maximize the health benefits of garlic, it's crucial to handle it correctly during cooking. Studies show that the enzyme alliinase, responsible for producing the beneficial compound allicin, is destroyed by heat. To preserve allicin, it's recommended to crush or chop garlic and let it sit for about 10 minutes before cooking. This allows the enzyme to activate and produce allicin. Once allicin is formed, it's relatively heat stable, but high temperatures can still reduce its effectiveness. For optimal benefits, add it at the end of the cooking process to avoid lengthy exposure to heat. This way, you can enjoy both the flavor and the health benefits of garlic without losing its potency. Remember, a little care in how you prepare garlic can go a long way in making your meals healthier and tastier. So, next time you're in the kitchen, keep this tip in mind and savor the goodness of garlic in every bite. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more valuable insights. Stay healthy, stay informed. See you in the next video.